All right, guys, today we are at a park that we frequent quite often, but we found a little side trail that we'd never been to before, and we're going to check that out today. As soon as the big man is ready, we're going to make our way over. Hey, big man. Come on, pal. This way, buddy. So there's a trail up here we've been to lots of times, but on the other side of the field, there's a trail that we just discovered. Ready, buddy? Okay, come on. This way, pal. This way, pal. All right. The big man getting some good whiffs this morning. So right over there, there's an entrance to a trail, and as soon as this guy's ready, we're gonna make our way over. Ready, big man? Let's go. Oh, bless you. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Looks like the big man's headed straight to it. Good instincts, buddy. Come here, pal. Oh, hello, handsome. And then, of course, the dog sticker looks just like our hero. Ready, pal? Come on, buddy. Let's go. And here it is. This is what we were talking about. Whoop, sorry, buddy. A trail behind a park, behind a trail. Right up our alley. All right, buddy, let's check this out. You first or me first? Okay, me first. Come on, buddy. Let me fix that for you, pal. All right, which way, buddy? Wow. Let's go down this way. Come on, let's go this way. Come on, buddy. Sounds like a wood chipper in the not so distance What do you think, buddy? Can I fix this? What do you think, pal? Huh. Come here, buddy. We don't care about that. Well, obviously coyotes have been here, so we should definitely be careful. Oh, buddy. Let's go. Lots of signs of coyotes here. Right up there's an elementary school that's attached to the park, and okay, pretty cool little path here. I think this will probably kick us out right on the other side of the school. And now we know where this goes, huh, buddy? Huh. Huh. Looks like a creek. Let's go, Pally. Leo turns 12 tomorrow. It's his birthday. We got some treats lined up for him. And we're having a party this weekend with some friends for the big man. Today is a Thursday in January. A little overcast. We are wearing pretty casual clothes, not too cold. Okay, buddy, come on. Come on, pal. Hello. Okay, big boy, come on. So again, we've never been back here before. We've been to the park dozens of times, but never to this trail. Always cool to explore new spots that are right under our nose. Oh, pal. The wood chipper really does nothing for a peaceful vibe. Come on, pal, let's keep going. Come on, big man. Uh-oh. Come on, big man. Let's go, pal. Come on. Yeah. Even being in a close vicinity to a school, I don't think we would do this trail at night. We're in a pretty safe neighborhood, however, might take a chance. Oh, buddy. Leo's not much of a risk taker. He likes it nice and quiet. buddy. What do you think, pal? Not too bad. Nope. All right, pal, come on. So, we can either go up or we can go down this way a little bit more. What do you think, pal? What do you want to do? Take a nap? Handsome boy. Let's head up. Come on, let's go up. And yep, takes us right next to the school here. Pretty cool. Come on, pal. So that's exactly where we are. All right, buddy. You can see the overcast over the mountains there. Let's go, buddy. And I think we'll just shoot on up here the rest of the way, cut through the park. That'll be a good one, buddy. But thanks for coming with us today, guys. Make sure to wish Leo a happy birthday tomorrow. Huh, buddy? Thanks again.